pumped out. Working good. Well, I got it done. Waiting on a Texas, New Mexico inspection. Got the slip riser in. Got it to the correct mark. It's got about 6 inches up in here so it can go up or down. Glued that, don't glue the slip riser. I'm not sure if this is legal. We'll see. I can just take it off, it's no big deal. Got this all leveled up, glued. It requires a metal nut here and a metal nut on the other side, and then a plastic cap. Not sure why they require it. You gotta have a pull string. Got that all taped up punch, tie it off so we don't lose it. And from the top of the conduit to the ground is supposed to be 36 inches. I'm probably about almost 4 foot. I went a little deeper, and can't have any more than 3 long sweep 90s, and I've got only 3 in there. And then here at the end, supposed to be 1.5 feet off the pole, and I'm pretty close to that. This is a new pole they just dropped me in, and they get to tie the rest of it in. All right, so Texas, New Mexico has tied me in. Everything checked out. Got my ground rod in. Everything backfilled and hooked up to transformer.